Welcome to NewForge Knowledge Place. We're glad to have you. Today we're going to be walking you through the platform. This is the main dashboard of NewForge Knowledge Place. Let's begin with the navigation bar across the top of your screen. Here you have your name, the home icon, your shopping cart, and your notifications. By clicking on your name, you can access a page to edit your profile, a page to view your request board posts, a page to check on your withdrawals, and a button to sign out. Let's check out our profile. As an expert, ensuring your profile is set up correctly is vital. This is the main page where you can customize your information and make a great first impression on potential employers. To make changes to any of the elements on your profile, simply click the Edit button, located to the right of each section. This will allow you to update your information and make any necessary changes to your profile. Let's start by taking a closer look at some of the important elements to take note of. By clicking Public Profile, you can see the information that's public to other users. Keep in mind that as an expert, technicians will be looking to potentially hire you, so providing as much information as possible is highly recommended. Additionally, be sure to check out the Refer a Friend section. By sharing your unique referral link with others, you can help grow our community and potentially reap some rewards. The last important element to take note of is the subscription section. Here you can upgrade, downgrade, or unsubscribe your subscription. Now that we've covered these key elements, let's continue going over the rest of your profile. Next, we'll talk about adding skills. Start by clicking Edit. This page will allow you to create, edit, or delete any of the skills you have listed. Now we'll click Create and proceed by filling out details about our skill, uploading any relevant certifications, and setting up our hourly rate for that skill. When we're finished, we'll click Save. Then that skill will appear in our list of skills. Now that we've covered your skills, let's return to your profile. Lastly, it's important to note that while insurance isn't required by NewForge, it may be required by potential employers, so we suggest adding that here. Now that we've covered your profile, let's take a look at the withdrawal page. We'll come back to your request board post later in the video. This is where you can withdraw any funds that you've been paid. Make sure to set this up prior to taking your first call. To do this, click here. This will open a new tab where you can create an account to get paid. When it's time to get paid, all we have to do is click Get Paid for money to transfer over to us. Now that we've covered that process, we'll return to the home screen. Below the navigation bar, you have a QR code that you can use to sign into your account on a smartphone or smart glasses. On the center of your screen, you'll have your appointments. Appointments will appear here once a user has booked your time. Here's an example of an appointment request. Click here to see what comments a user has made about their issue. Note that you can also message a technician before accepting or declining their appointment request. Once we click Accept, the Launch Session button will appear. This is the button you'll press when it's time to start an appointment. We recommend doing this a few minutes prior to your scheduled call. Below your appointments, you have your dashboard. This is the main way you'll navigate NewForge Knowledge Place. The first page is the revenue report. Here you can see any money that you've made from appointments. You can also review and print statements from this page. The next page is the training library. From here, you can schedule an onboarding appointment with a member of our staff and view training articles and videos. Following that is the marketplace. This is where you can buy smart glasses and other devices for yourself or your clients. Below is the transactions page. From here, you can view a more detailed list of transactions from a financial point of view. You can keep track of not only your earnings, but what payments are still being processed. Next is the request board. This is our public forum where technicians can post about problems they're having or experts they're looking for. We recommend checking the request board periodically for potential clients. To view any posts you've made on the request board, you can simply click your name and select My Request Board Posts. And finally, we have service reports. Whenever a call is finished, you have the option to create a service report. From this page, you can edit or create service reports on any call you've had. Take note of the service report status on the right. This indicates whether an issue has been resolved with completed or if it remains unresolved with processed. With that, you're all set up to start using NewForge Knowledge Place. For more information, contact the NewForge team at info@newforge.pro.